Hello and welcome to WPKlik's YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a closer look at the new Gutenberg editor, more precisely, its blocks. As you have probably noticed, blocks represent the main principle of this new editor. They are definitely a bit different than the classic editor, but they are equally easy to use, if not easier. Any piece of content can be a block. It can be a title, a paragraph of text, an image, a link, a quote, and so on. So the first thing we're going to show you is how to add the blocks. There are several ways to add a block, and you can pick the one that works the best for you. For instance, you can use the little plus sign in the toolbar at the upper left portion of the editor. To pick the kind of block you want to use, simply click on the plus sign and pick one from the drop-down menu. As you enter your post content in the workspace, you'll notice that a plus sign will appear below at the next available slot where you can add a new block. A drop-down menu with block types will appear, and there will be 3 common types of blocks displayed to the right. The third way is to basically use shortcuts. Each block has a name, which you can enter in the search bar with a /. Now let's take a look at the block options. These come up when you click on the block you want the options for. The options will appear both in the toolbar and in the block tab to your right. Some of the options will be available within the block itself too. If the workspace as it is not working for you, you can modify some things by clicking on these 3 vertical dots and then accessing the Show More Tools and Options menu. If none of the options are checked, your block options will appear like this within the block itself. Click on the top toolbar if that's where you want your options to be. If you want to focus on one particular block, tick the Spotlight Mode option. Finally, in case you want a larger workspace, you can always click on Full Screen Mode. This will expand your workspace to the entire screen. The new editor comes with one particularly useful feature, and those are the reusable blocks. Just as the name suggests, these are the commonly used blocks that you save and reuse whenever you need them. To add a block to the reusable blocks, click on the 3 dots, which will open more options, and then click on Add to Reusable Blocks. Give your block a title and it's ready for future use. Reusable blocks are easily identified thanks to the little recycle icon next to them. For an overview of all your reusable blocks, go to Show More Tools and Options and click on Manage All Reusable Blocks. And there's just one thing left to mention here, and that is if you want to rearrange the blocks in your poster page, you can easily do so by dragging a block and dropping it in a different place. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.